So this is how um yeah. So this is this flat design, which of course you can see, as you can see. So as I've started fixing this one from there coming. So this is how I'll measure from here to here, then I'll get the exact measurement. So here we go. I measure from the first line of this corner to here, which is of course 33 inches or 83 centimeters. So here we go. Then I'll cut it over here. So here's it. And it would. Okay, so where's my saw? So I'll cut where I measured. So first of all, wherever you see a flat surface like this, it's not it's not something which we did it at once. We start facing it little by little, then we get to get the whole ceiling done. So as you can see, we just face it pieces by pieces. So I've already fixed 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So this is the 5th one. So you hold it like this, and then you turn it over here. As you can see, so here is it. Then we use this this one to fasten it. So I'll put one here. This is called papillon, the champion papillon. Then I put one also here. So I'll use this one to fasten it together. As you can see, I put one here, and then you just put one over here to get it evenly on the same level ground. Okay, so that's how I'll fix it up to that level. Yeah. So yeah, we'll go another and put this one over there. Okay. I think I should hold it over here. The banding wire. Hold it. little by little, we are in the process of covering this whole place up to that level. So we have already fixed the corner mold already, and then we have polished it, everything. We have dressed it very nice, even though it's not all that complete. So after we are done with this, I will fasten it at the back. I will enter and then fasten it with the fiber. I'll mix the POP, the POP cement inside this one, then I'll fasten it with this one over at the back. This one is also for fiber. That's what we use to mold this one. As you can see, the fiber is over here. As you can see, here is the fiber. That one will make if you mix the POP cement and then you put the fiber inside it and then you mix another one. That's how come we got this slit, as you can see. So that's what we are fixing here. So here comes the surface, as you can see over here. As you can see the surface, and then inside the back of the slit, that's where the how do you call it, the fiber that we used to hold it is where it will touch. As soon as it touches it, then it dries up, and then that's all. This and then turn this one inside. How many minutes so far? How many minutes so far? 8. It will turn so I will do it just like this up to that level. So that's what I'm in the process of cutting more. As it is over. So as you can see, this pieces over here, we can fasten it together so that we get the same thing. We get the same length as this. We can fasten it together over here so that we can also use that one too. We have a way of doing it, and then in my next video I will show you how we fasten all this one together so that we get the same thing as like this. When we watch our channel on YouTube, subscribe, share, and then comment on my video. Remember to subscribe to Lion TV. Thank you.